Hi there, and today we're going to have a Canva Magic Animate tutorial. So here I am in my Canva dashboard, and then I'll first select a project that I'm doing. So for example, I'll select this one, which is a presentation about the solar system. So from here, we are now in the Canva editor, and then to animate certain elements, the usual way that we do it is that first you'll select the element, click on animate, and then choose the animation that you want. But that takes up a lot of time because, for example, if you need to do that to all of your presentation, for example, like this, and then let's go to another presentation, and then you will do it like that. So you need to manually select all of the animations for each of your elements in your presentation. But a faster way to do it is that we can use the Canva Magic Animate. So for example, I'll select this slide right here, click on Animate, and then as you can see, we have the Magic Animate option right here. And as it says, it instantly animates all pages in a style of your choice. So you don't need to click on each of the element one by one to add some animation. You just need to select Magic Animate and the AI will do it for you. So keep in mind that in order to use this option, you need to have a Canva Pro account. And then make sure you are using a Canva Pro, and then we can proceed to use this option. So I already have my account in Canva Pro, and then to use that, we just need to select all of the slides right here. So just hold on the Shift key in your keyboard and then just select the last page of your slides right here, and then it will automatically select all of them. And then from here, just click on the animate button and then click on Magic Animate. And then let's just wait for it to finish. And then you can just choose your preferred style right here for your magic animation. For example, playful, you can do that, or bold, elegant, energetic, handmade, digital, professional, grunge, and minimal. So those are the different types of animation that you can use to your presentation, and it adds a little bit of style to your presentation, and then it makes your presentation more engaging for the audience. And then to see all of the animations in action, we just need to click on present, and then let's present it in full screen, and then click on the present button. And as you can see, we now have all of the animations present in our presentation. So we didn't need to insert the animations one by one. We just used the magic animation option, and then all of the slides right here already has the animations created for us by using the Canva AI. And then that is it. That is how we use the Canva Magic Animate. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.